Mr. President, whatever is happening around you is a total lie. It's a pure lie. You are lying to yourself that you can be able to stop these people. They have cheated you that let's change the scenario to look like it is a tribal thing. You even chosen that you make sure the violences are meted to people of only in the Kikuyu area zones. The Githurai, Ruto, Thika, Muranga, Karatina, Nyeri, and many other parts where Kikuyus are. This thing, even if you try to rebrand it, make it look tribal, it won't work. They are lying to you. Your advisors are lying to you. They are not telling you the truth. Gen Zs are tribalist. Gen Zs are not tribal. They are Kalenjins. Gen Zs are Luos. Gen Zs are Kikuyus. But they have decided and chose to live a life that is straight.